Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhamija and I would be your examiner for this part of the test, and this test would be recorded. What is your full name?
My full name is Sarabjit Kaur.
How may I address you?
You may call me by my first name Sarabjit.
Where do you live, Sarabjit?
I hail from Tohana. It's an elegant town. It's provide all basic amenities to public. It is a good place to reside, and it is also known as City of Canals.
Great. Do you study or work?
Currently, I am pursuing my Bachelor of Arts.
Okay, Sarabjit. Now few questions will be based on childhood. Did you enjoy your childhood?
Yes, I enjoyed a lot my childhood with my buddies. I used to play with them in the streets.
Okay, what are your best childhood memories?
Well, according to me, my birthday celebrations and my holiday vacations are my best childhood memories.
Do you think it is better for children to grow up in the city or in the countryside?
I think both have their own significance. It totally depends upon the children where they want to grow up. If I talk about the benefits of the countryside, it provides peace and calm environment to the children. On the other hand, cities provide different types of facilities like quality of education, better medical facilities, and many more things.
That's wonderful. Before proceeding further to this interview, here I would like to inform you guys that at your IELTS partner platform, we are offering online classes for IELTS and for spoken English. So if you guys wish to enroll, then you can. The number is displayed below. First of all, you can book free demo class, and later on you can enroll in our courses, be reading, writing, speaking, listening, or all the modules. Thank you. So what did you enjoy as a child?
I relished a lot of things in my childhood because there was no worries and responsibilities on me. So I having fun with my toys, and I also felt enjoyed whenever I received my favorite eatable things.
Now, few questions will be based on numbers. What is your favorite number?
Well, my favorite number is 2 because it is my date of birth. It covers some piece of identity of myself.
Are you good at remembering phone numbers?
To be very honest, I am not good in math, so I always look at the list of the mobile phone by searching the name of that person.
Are you good at math?
As I mentioned earlier, I am not good in math, but in the case of lengthy equations, I always use the calculator.
Do you usually use numbers?
Yes, I think in daily life, numbers are everywhere. I use the numbers in my daily basis, like as measuring the figures, calculating in the addresses. I think numbers are everywhere in our daily life.
Okay, now few questions will be based on praise. Have you had any achievements recently?
Yes, last week I prepared a lip smacking cuisine. On that time, I received lots of praise as a comment by my loved ones.
How do you feel when you are praised?
I feel satisfied. I feel motivated, and I do more hard work for that work for which I receive so many compliments by my kith and kins.
Okay, when was the last time when you praised someone?
Last month, one of my brothers took a participate in the competition. On that time, I encouraged him a lot in order to increase his confidence.
Do you think parents should often praise and encourage their children?
Yes, definitely. Parents should encourage and praise their children because it increases their confidence. They feel more independent. Even they show their interest and talents. They share many things with their family members, like their heart talk. So I think they should always encourage their children.
That's wonderful. This is end of the part 1. Thank you so much. Now I'm giving you a cue card. You have to speak between 1 and 2 minutes. And if you wish to make notes, then you can use paper and pencil for making notes. Okay, yes, Sarabjit, you may start speaking now.
Well, learning is a lifelong process. Nowadays, the learning foreign language has gaining ground. And here I'm going to talk about a time when I learned a foreign language, which is none other than English language. After completing my senior secondary education, I made my mind I will learn the foreign language as I am planning to go abroad for my higher education. So my parents suggested me to join the nearby institute, Renault Institute. I joined it, and I burned the midnight oil in order to learn the foreign language. language. Apart from it, I watched many web series with subtitle in order to improve my understanding. If I talk about the difficulties, what type of difficulties I faced when I learned this language, in the beginning days, I faced lots of problems in the grammars, rules and regulations, and the vocabulary in the pronunciation. But after doing lots of hard work, I became excel, and I did my best in order to improve my foreign language. Apart from it, if I talk about the benefits, what type of benefits I received after learning it, like as I build my confidence, as well as I can easily communicate with the people. Most of my friends are from the foreign country, so now I have a good hand in the English, so I can easily communicate with them with confidence. Beside this, I can also it also opens different types of doors, like I can get a great career opportunities, and I can also do the job in an international company. So in the last, I would like to say that I felt satisfied after learning this foreign language.
That's good. Wonderful. This is end of the cue card. Now I'm going to ask you some follow-up questions, and all the questions would be based on this cue card. Why do people learn foreign language?
Well, there are various reasons behind this happening. Some people want to continue their further education in the foreign countries. Some people want to do the job in an international company. But nowadays, people want to become multilingualistic. That's why they are learning more foreign language. So I think these are the reasons.
Okay, so don't you think that people learn foreign language for business point of view or for tour and traveling purpose?
Yes, I think it is also a reason for learning the foreign language. If I talk about the business, they can easily communicate the people when they have a good hand in a foreign language like Spanish, French, and German. On the other hand, when they are going for the traveling, they can easily understand their culture. They can do the communication over there with the common people. So I think this is the also main reason.
Okay. What is the most difficult part of learning a foreign language?
Well, according to me, not for me, I think for the everyone, first of all, they face the obstacles in the grammar, vocabulary. They also face the problem in nasal sounds, like pronunciations. So I think these types of problems people often face when they are learning the language. I think grammar is the base, so I think they should become excel in the grammar first.
What languages are popular to learn in your country?
Well, India is a diverse country. Different kinds of languages are popular, like as Hindi, Punjabi, English. Apart from it, nowadays in my country, French, German, and Spanish foreign languages are also gaining ground to learn.
Okay, so you mean to say that people are eager or excited to learn not only the vernacular languages but also the foreign languages?
Yes.
Okay. How has technology changed the way people learn a language?
Well, with the help of technology, learning a foreign language become more convenient, interesting, as well as interactive. People can attend the online classes while sitting under a one roof. They do not have to travel to the other places to learn the foreign language. For example, if a person living far away from the city, so they can learn with the help of online technology, and they can also interact with the foreign tutors with the help of technology.
Okay, so don't you believe nowadays there are so many applications, and while using those apps, people can easily understand about a new language?
Yes, there are many apps which also help individuals to learn a foreign language, like Byju's app, Duolingo, and the Babbels.
Okay. Thank you, Sarabjit. This is end of the test. Thank you so much.
Thank you.